Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service the headlights on this 1997 Jetta. We show you both if you're just looking to change the bulbs or if you want to replace the entire headlight assembly because if it's broken or damaged or sandblasted or faded. 1AAuto, we sell a great set of replacement headlights with the glass lens and everything for these vehicles. And the only tools you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and an 8mm socket with a ratchet and extension.
Okay, open up the hood, reach right in, pull this handle, pop the hood, and then you reach underneath here, and you should feel a little hook, and you'll feel a little hook that you push aside, lift up, support rod right there. If you're just looking to replace your bulbs, just reach back in here and pull off the connection. There's a ring here, turn it counterclockwise, and your bulb will come out. Okay, and new bulb just goes in, reverse the procedure. Put the bulb in, put your locking ring on, and reconnect your harness. Okay, if you want to replace the entire assembly because it's sandblasted or broken, disconnect it back there. There are 4 Phillips screws here that you're going to remove first.
And I'm just going to speed up as I remove those 4 Phillips screws.
Okay, with those screws out, you can look kind of right down in and you'll see clips down there. Just use a small flat blade screwdriver and push down on the clip. Pull out, down on each clip. Okay, and then the top pulls out. And then you pull the top out a little bit, you can reach down in here. And there's some clips down at the bottom. You can usually you can just kind of lift up on the grill a little bit and release them. And then the most difficult part, I can't really film it, but you want to reach in behind here underneath your headlight. And actually if you feel with your finger, you'll feel a slot right down in here. Okay, you want to reach on the back side. And there is a tab. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay. There's a tab that you push up on the back side, and that releases there. Same thing on this side. Reach in here, kind of underneath the headlight. And you'll feel a tab, push up on it, and release it. And as you can see, it comes out. You can see right here, these are the tabs, and that's what you're feeling for underneath. Okay, push up to release it. With the grill off, there are 4 8mm bolts holding on. One there, one there, one down here, and one over here. Okay, best tools for the job, 8mm socket. I've got a ratchet and an extension to help me reach in there. I'm going to take that one out last.
And I'll just speed up here as I remove those 4 bolts.
With those 4 bolts out, the light is loose. You may run into some problem down here with this mounting point. If you don't care about your light, obviously you can just kind of break it up a little bit. Okay. And then right at it. does have a locating pin in it. It seems to be sticking as well, so your light comes out. Okay, new light from One Auto, nice, clear. Okay, you notice before you put it in, here's your two adjusters. Okay, you can use a 10mm wrench on them to adjust it. One of them will adjust it up and down, one of them will adjust it left to right. And put this light in, kind of put the outside in first. Okay. And then right into place.
Okay, I'm going to speed up here as I put those 4 bolts in. Notice I start them all in first. Just start them, get them going a couple turns, make sure they're all seated in there correctly, and then tighten them up. When you tighten them up firm, but you don't want to over tighten them because you can break the tabs on the light if you over tighten them.
Reconnect your harness. Okay, reinstalling the grill. It's just a matter of kind of looking things in. You can kind of clamp your bottom clamps on first, then slide these top ones in carefully. Make sure they're all going in. And then kind of look back. Make sure your side ones are going in correctly.
And I'm going to speed up here again as I grab the 4 screws and my Phillips screwdriver. Put them back in carefully. You want to look down in there, make sure that the screws go into the hole in the tab. They can get off course a little bit and go kind of into the slots of the tabs and sometimes break the tabs. So just make sure you put them down in there correctly. And when you tighten them, you don't have to get them too tight. Just in there firm. If you make them too tight, you will break the tabs. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.